Hey guys, so it's me Yashvir Gaming. Alright, so I wanted to make a tutorial for you guys. Let's say you have a TV like I have. Okay, this is a Sony Bravia TV X85K. Alright, the model number is X85K. It's a 4K Sony TV Bravia series or whatever. So it's a really good Google TV. Right? Everything works. I've connected my Netflix, like my Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV, blah blah. Everything works, okay. But the only problem was, since this TV was I bought it on Amazon, okay, US. Okay, it is an imported TV. All right. So I'm in a country where the TV cable antenna isn't working for me, because they have it like a female port connector, whatever that's called. Okay, but today I'm going to show you how to get your TV antenna working. All right, so I do have my antenna set up on my rooftop. Okay, my over the air, okay, antenna. It's not dish, it's not satellite, it's basic antenna. All right, for TV. All right, so I've hooked the cable. All right, it's a coaxial. Okay, it's a coaxial cable. All right, and it's something like this. All right, it looks something like this. So the problem is, whenever I connect the cable, okay, so here on the back, on the left side of the TV, okay, here's a antenna cable. It's written right here. Here is a port, but that cable does not fit in, okay, because it's something like this. All right, you see this port? How does it look? All right, so this is for the TV port. Okay, it does not fit this, I believe, which is a European cable. Okay, so yeah, it does not fit. So in order to get that, no matter how many times I click the home button, I'm gonna click TV, and then I go to like TV settings, and then I go to scan channel. Okay, and right here it says to set up your sources. Here I click on the first one, I click run. Okay, no matter how many times I do this, I scan the channel. Okay, nothing will be found, none which is analog, no digital, neither analog, no digital. None of the channels were found on the Sony TV. Okay, you see my problem. All right, now I couldn't find any adapters, any converters, like into the male to female, female to male, whatever, vice versa. So before buying an adapter or a connector, I do have a decoder. All right, I was using like back in the day, I had from an old TV, it was a decoder. So today I'm going to show you the full setup and how to get like your cable to work for your antenna. Okay, so here I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to go another route. Okay, so I'm going to press the home button. Then I'm going to go to settings. Okay, I'm going to press the settings right here. This quick settings open up. I'm going to go to settings right here. Right, I'm going to go into channel and input. Then I'm going to select my signal type. Okay, my signal type, I'm going to choose antenna. Okay, and then I'm going to click on auto program. All right, hit yes. Again, this thing will scan and it won't find anything. Okay, it won't find any analog channels, no digital channels. I don't know why. Okay, maybe this TV is I know the antenna port on this TV is USA, is American, whatever. So yeah, I kind of need of a female or male, whatever that call. Okay, so that this type of cable to fit in, right? This type of antenna. All right, so as you see right here, okay, scan completed. Here's proof. Scan completed and nothing found. Channels found 0 0. All right, so I was driving myself crazy. All right, at this point I was like, yeah, fuck this, man. I'm done with this TV. I'm just gonna use this TV to watch Netflix, YouTube, or whatever, or maybe even connect my gaming PCs to this, because this is a 4K TV with variable refresh rate, and it has 120 hertz, whatever. Yeah, so okay. Alright, and this is where this little box comes in. So this is a decoder, right? It is Keytronics or whatever. Alright, this little box. Yeah, gladly it has one HDMI port, because you see all of this white, red, yellow, orange port, because in this Sony TV there's none of that white, yellow, blue, not blue, all these VGA, like this one. The yellow is for video, the red and white are for the audio. All right, and this one it says right here coaxial. Okay, the orange is for coaxial cable. Okay, so yeah, so the guide is I gotta plug this right here. Okay, don't worry about the whole mess right here. So yeah, I kind of got myself you see that it's what does it say right here, max 13 amp. Okay, 13 amps, 2500 watts. Okay, so yeah, and I did list that with a marker, like this one's for PS4, TV, PS5, Xbox, whatever. Okay, all right, so yeah, then what I gotta do here after I connect that, so this thing, it will go into here. Okay, it will go in here, and I plugged another HDMI cable at the back. Okay, I plug another HDMI cable right here, the first one. Okay, these, okay, so this one, as you can see, it listed the D, HDMI D. It uses 4K 120 hertz. This one as well. The both, this TV, guys, it has 4 HDMI cables. Okay, the two below uses 4K 120 hertz. Okay, and the above maybe like 1080p, whatever. Okay, so luckily this DVR connector, okay, antenna connector, whatever, TNT, whatever you want to call it, it comes with a HDMI port, luckily for me. Otherwise this wouldn't have worked. Okay, so now I gotta just connect the HDMI. Okay, once connected, I just gotta turn on the power. Alright, so as you see, it lit up right here, okay, it's turned on. This is a remote for this Keytronics, whatever. Now what I gotta do right here, I gotta press source, and then to switch to HDMI 1. Okay, so soon as I switch, boom, it's working. I didn't have to scan. Okay, but maybe if you're setting up yours for the first time, you gotta scan it. Okay, like you'll have to go through the remote control. Okay, you'll have to go through the remote control and then find the settings, channels, and scan the channels. Okay, like to click on menu right here, to click on menu, then go to whatever. Okay, all right, and maybe here you have a full option like to scan again or whatever. So yeah, you can as well find yours. So yeah, it's working, guys. It works. Yeah, sometimes I do get things like this because this thing might be coming off, so I might need to attach or stick this, glue this thing. Alright guys, yeah, so it is working. Okay, and I don't know what the guy is saying, but if I needed to mute, so this is a remote control. Yeah, I just click mute right there, it's muted. Of course I can increase the volume as well. I can change channels, whatever. I can go to channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Alright, okay guys, thanks so much for watching.